Alright everybody, thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Today I have an exciting video. I have some new tools that just came in the mail about 3 minutes ago. So set up the tripod, we're ready to go. So I have a box on the ground and I have a box against the wall. And this from Jonard Tools. I forgot what I asked for. I know one of them, two of them maybe, so I think I got 3 or 4 items. So we're gonna find out what we got. So let's just go ahead and jump right in. I'm just gonna let this one run. I'm not really gonna edit this one too much. So let's just go ahead and open these up. So shout out to Jonard Tools. To Candace, appreciate you, you're the best. Looks like the one box got smashed in half, so hopefully that one's still good. A little rough from UPS, those dirty dogs. All right, so first item is one that I've always wanted. Oh my gosh, there's so much extra stuff in here, actually. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited, actually. Okay, first one is the cable tester tone and probe kit. So this is kind of like tracing out when the power's off or anything like that. You can send a tone on wires to trace out where they go or anything like that. So it's safe and you don't need electricity to do it. Always wanted one of these, so thank you, that's amazing. I can't wait to use that. We got the Jonard Tools folding finger work gloves. So I wanted to try these out. I asked for these specifically because I don't really have any nice gloves. So these are going to be awesome. These have like the Velcro on the wrist, so you can Velcro it on. And like it says, I believe it has the folding fingers. So we're going to check that out here in a second. But what I'm really excited for that I totally forgot about was the Jonard Tools hoodie. Like, I'm not a big fan, I guess it's a zip up, but I've always had I'm not really a big fan of black colors for like shirts or hoodies or anything like that. So I was really excited about this, this gray one right here. So this is really nice, really soft. And I really love the design right here, Jonard Tools. Made for life, you know, Fait pour la vie. And then we got the guaranteed for life. We got a little J on the front, which is awesome. So love that. Super excited about that. And then they also sent me a shirt, which is really nice. This one's really soft. Love this. Same exact design. J on the front. Jonard Tools on the back. This is a really soft shirt, and I'm really excited about that. And then the other 2 items in this box. The first one, which I've also always wanted, I've wanted one of these for years, which is the RJ45 tester. So when you hook up when you terminate your Cat 5, Cat 6, you can go ahead and test it out, make sure all your colors match on both sides, and then you get the green light and you're good to go and it's ready for use. So always wanted one of those. Let's go ahead and open up the gloves here real quick. I want to see the folding fingers in action. So you got I got 2 folding fingers on each side. So got the gloves here, then the fingers kind of fold back right there, so it has an opening. So go ahead and unstrap that. You can get the finger there, and then you can be like boom, boom. So in case you need to do something, so you don't have to take your gloves off. And then fold it back over. Very nice. Like that. So that's cool. These look like they fit very comfortably. Nice. Always, my first pair of gloves that I ever got was similar to these, and I used them for a really long time, so these are really nice. Nice and thick, but still flexible, so I actually love those. And then we got the solderless ring lug terminal kit with the crimper. So I've always wanted one of these as well, so really just knocking out a bunch of things that I've always wanted that I've never gotten before. So this is a termination kit. So you get the terminator right here, which is the crimper. I don't know if there's an internal spring or something. I guess the spring's on the back, but basically just push it down. I guess it doesn't open up that far once you use it. And then we got all the lugs right here. So this is very cool. All your fork terminals, your ring terminals, a bunch of other terminals that I've never even seen before. So these go from 10 to 22. You got the ring, the butt splice, the fork, the spade, and the spade M. Spade M and the spade F. So tons of different terminals here. So mainly you're going to use these for grounding and stuff like that for receptacles, anything like that. And then you have the crimper right here, going through all the different sizes, 16, 18, 20, 22, 14, 18, 22, 26, 22, 23, 22, 22, 28, 26. So very nice. Excited about that one. And then lastly, the last item right here, which is the huge, like 6-foot box, which got destroyed in the middle. You probably can't see that. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, we're gonna need a little more. And this is the glow rods, I believe. I thought they were going to be like in a 3-foot box, but it looks like a 6-foot box. Luckily, they got some packaging in there, so it's all safe. Well, I guess we're going to find out here in a second. So I think it's good. Hopefully, it's not cracked. Got a little damage, but it survived, so all good there. So you can see the chipping got it like made like a mark, but it didn't dent it at all. But let's go ahead and open these up. So they're 6-footers. I forgot what I asked for, if I asked for the 6 or the 3s, but this works. So this is going to have a whole bunch of attachments, which is nice. You got the hook attachment right there, and then you have the chain right there. And then you have like kind of like the pointer or rounded edge right there. And then at the bottom you do have like another piece. And these are the glow rods. I do have another set over here, which are just the solid orange, very, very hard and not flexible. And then we have a tip right here if you want to like use this for something. I think there's a flashlight on it too, maybe. Looks like there's a, yeah. Might need a battery, I'm not sure, but there's a light on the end, and then you can screw this on, so if you need to like go up the wall or something. So that's really cool. Never seen one of those, never had one of those before. So right here, you can see these are really, really nice and really flexible, and these are going to be glowing in the dark, so very nice. I'm really excited about those. So these will fit in the back of my car, which will be nice. Yeah, and then these 3 all thread together, threads on that side. And then, yeah, you can take these tips out or whatnot over here if you want to. Make this from a 6-footer to 12-footer to 18-footer. So a bunch of different attachments and all glow in the dark. And I'm going to try not to get any splinters, but they're brand new, so I won't have a problem with that. But if you ever like take a knife to these, which you don't want to do, you always want to take, if you add tape to fish rods or whatever, fish sticks or glow rods, you're gonna not want to use a knife to take tape off of them, because once you cut them, you can always get a splinter, and you don't want to do that. So anyways, really nice case. It did survive this damage right here in the box, so really happy about that. So anyways, those are the, how many items did I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items, plus the shirt and the hoodie slash zip up. So you got 7 items. Thank you so much, Jonar Tools. I really appreciate it. You guys are amazing, and thank you for the awesome tools that I've always been wanting. So these are going to help me out tremendously when I need these tools. So thank you so much, and I can't wait to use them and make some more videos about them. See you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Peace.